Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will make a drawing of a mysterious woman in backlight. I selected the 0.5mm medium lead on my mechanical pencil, and with this we begin to draw the shape of the head, then the neck and shoulders down on the page, then the back and the arms. She will have a dress like of a bride. I'm just sketching it quickly right now. And we can clean up with the kneaded eraser. The list of all the materials that I am using is in the description below the video. I want to draw an arch in perspective. So with the help of a straight edge, let's draw a few lines. One horizontal to indicate the base of the arch, then a vertical in the center and the two sides. So I just make some lines to sketch it. If you are not familiar with one-point perspective, I highly recommend you to watch my video on that subject. It is very simple. Basically, all the vanishing lines converge on the vanishing point. We begin shading. And I also recommend to you my new book, The Basics of Drawing, the ultimate guide for beginners. Check it out with the link below. Since we have a backlight illumination, all her back will be in shade, but we will have light all around the edges. Now I will use this Kaweco SketchUp LED holder with the broad 5.6mm soft LED to draw the background, as we will cover a lot more ground with this. While we work, I want to survey you whether you would like more digital drawings tutorials, like the one of last week on the iPad, or whether you would prefer these more classic ones. Please let me know in the comments. Let's go back to the 203 mechanical pencil, but this time I will choose a softer and wider lead than the original. I mean than the one we were using at the beginning. And with this we draw the inside of the arch. This will be a little bit less dark because it is getting a little bit of light. The strong light source will be in the back, from the end of the tunnel. So it will be lightening up as we get close to it. And behind the woman that is underneath her in our drawing will be a strong cast shadow. The ground will have more light in this area, and it will be darkening as it gets away from it. Also, the walls will project a cast shadow. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. In the comments, please write me the secret code, the mysterious bride. And it's ready! If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.